Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand.
Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all enjoying the holiday season. I know 2020 has been quite the year, but today I'm going to be showing you how I decorated my home for the holidays, and I hope you will join me. First, if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe today so you can join my little YouTube family and ring that notification bell so you'll get notified every time I upload a video. So let's just go ahead and get started.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the Sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the Sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
So this year I decided to keep it simple. I went with golds and silvers. I did shop my home, so I didn't really have to go out and buy any new decor. This is just things I had from previous years, and the mantle, I kept it simple. And I didn't have to go out and spend any extra money, which I am super happy about. The only thing that I did end up purchasing was the ribbon, the gold ribbon, which I got from Walmart, so that wasn't too bad. But everything else that you see on the tree, I basically had stored away from previous years when I used gold and then I used silver. So I just incorporated those two colors together because they're both classics, and it worked. Very understated but very elegant, and I am so happy that I did. 2020 has been an awful year for everyone, I'm sure, but it has devastated my family personally. Also wanted to let you guys know that obviously I'm not doing Vlogmas this year, so I am so sorry. If you wanted to see our Vlogmas videos this year, I apologize. I just didn't want to put that extra stress on us. 2020 has been an awful year, a very stressful year for us, and I'm sure for so many other people, that I just really didn't want to put that extra stress on us. But I still will be putting out content for you guys with the family and the kids, because I am planning to make some homemade cookies, and we're going to be decorating our gingerbread houses and a lot of other family fun stuff that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. So I hope you guys will be on board for that. And again, I apologize for skipping Vlogmas this year. I hope to do it next year for sure. Hopefully 2021 will take it easy on us because it's been awful. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and do so today so you could join my little YouTube family, and don't forget to ring the bell so you can get notified for the next video. So if anyone is wondering where this warm and cozy outfit is from, I got this from a website called Nasty Gal. This was only about $25. It was on sale. It's a two-piece. I wear the size medium, and it's very soft. It feels kind of like fur, like a lamb or something, and I love it. It's the crew neck sweater top, and the sleeves are a little like oversized, and then the pants are also oversized. The pants are like what do you call this, high waist. They're high-waisted. I probably could have gotten a small, but as you can see, it goes all the way up here. So I have to fold it over once. And yeah, it fits good. I just didn't want anything too fitted. I wanted it really loose so I can be nice and cozy. So if you guys are wondering where my outfit is from, it's from Nasty Gal. And if you're wondering where these pretty little earrings are from, I got these from Amazon, and I love them. They're so lightweight. They are 18 karat gold plated, so they're not gonna turn. And these were $12.95 Prime. I got it delivered like the second day, and I just love them. They're so cute. So if you guys are interested in anything like this, I will leave a link in the description so you guys can go check it out. I love these. This would make a nice gift for anyone that you're shopping, well, for a female. Any female that you're shopping for, or a stocking stuffer. So Just a thought. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys are enjoying the season, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye.